1 cup of flour. Another cup of flour.
Half cup.
Half of a cup of flour. I mean, that's flour, right?
Yes.
And then, what goes next? It is baking powder. You guys, this ingredient? That is correct. It is baking powder. You need 1 teaspoon of it. You need 1 teaspoon. Now we need a very tiny scoop. Is a half of a teaspoon. Okay, next one we have, it is the salt. We need a half of a teaspoon of salt. And then, can I mix it?
Yes.
And then we need a whisk and whisk it all up. It will be all good.
Okay, that's done.
Now it's all done. Now that's all done. Now we need some rotten bananas. Now we need rotten bananas. And then peel them. And then we get. And then we gotta get. And then we need to get. Then we need to get this.
It's a potato masher.
We need a potato masher, and then mash the banana. And mash the bananas, so it will be all good with 2 rotten bananas.
They're not rotten, they're just very ripe.
Oh yeah, they're very ripe. We need to get a mixer and then add the butter.
6 tablespoons.
6 tablespoons.
1/3 of a cup.
And
Which is 1/3 of a cup. 2/3 of a
And
cup of sugar.
add 3 cups of
2/3 of a cup.
2/3 of a cup of sugar. That's a lot. That's a lot of sugar. Some sugar got the butter. And then you need to get a lemon.
What do you do with the lemon?
You scrape it.
We scrape it with
This.
a microplane.
A microplane.
Get the zest.
To get zest. Because it'll be more easier.
We just want the lemon taste without the lemon acid.
Taste. Nope, but now with the lemon acid. And then you gotta keep scraping it
All the way around.
all the way around. Now that's all done. Now scraping the lemon is all done. Well, the lemon is in there. And then we need to mix it. Yum. You
wanna turn it on?
Yum. How much?
Turn it up. On low first. Turn on higher. A little higher still.
Is that good enough?
One more.
8 is fine.
One more. All the way up. There you go.
8 is fine. There we go. The leave is on 8, and then we gotta wait until it's done mashed. Wait until it is done. Wait for a couple minutes. Stop it, and then my dad's gonna scrape it with this. What is that?
Spatula.
A spatula.
Turn it off.
We go turning it off, and then he has to scrape it with the spatula. But what is that?
Mixer.
No, this.
The paddle.
The paddle?
Yep.
Does that even exist?
It does now. It's in the bowl. All right, go. Well. Whee!
Okay, turn it to 10, and then it's going so fast, and we're gonna wait for a couple minutes. Alright?
Thumbs up.
Then we need to add some egg.
2 eggs that have been beaten.
Eggs that they're being beaten. And then pour it in there. Look, the banana bread looks so delicious. Oh, yum!
And then we add the bananas.
Add those bananas, super ripe bananas. You gotta keep adding them. Move your hand. Your hand was blocking it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Go, and then we need our spatula again. It's turning into batter. It looks like batter, but it's not batter.
Not yet.
When is it gonna be batter?
We add the flour.
We added the flour in there.
No, we don't. Not yet.
Where?
It's right there. It's right next to it.
Oh. How do you move the camera?
Don't move the camera. Alright, back on we go.
It's just on this. It's on 4 speed. So it'll be all good. Right? You just turned it into 6 speed. But it will go everywhere. Now I need to add these ingredients.
All the dry.
All the dry ingredients.
Come down those scoop. We blend it each time. We add a little bit.
Uh-huh. Yes, we do. This speed.
Yep, very slow. As slow as we have.
Mm-hmm.
Or else now it'll go everywhere.
Why?
Because the flour, you hit the flour hard and it just goes poof. Like a big old mess.
It goes boom, 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 like that.
Yep, it ended up on the ceiling. Ask me how I know this.
What?
And there's the last bit. Don't turn it on low.
Here we go. That is all. Then we need to mix it in super slow speed. We need to spray the pan. What is that?
The bread pan.
We need to spray the bread pan with vegetable oil. The vegetable oil spray. Then it should be all good.
Now it's nice and smooth.
But that's now nice and smooth. You just scrape it. Now I need to add the nuts. Dump it all in there. So it will be all nutty. Get it? All nutty?
All nutty.
Keep mixing it. And then there we go. Now it looks like batter now. It looks like that is all melting. Like ice cream was melting. Like, help! I'm melting! batter taste like?
You shouldn't taste this because it's got raw egg in it. Raw egg can make you sick. Yeah. Bleh.
Oh, hey, why do you always put your hand there?
I don't have a choice in the matter. Now, how hot is that oven, Kendall?
350?
350 degrees. And how long do we bake it for?
1 hour?
How long does that? How hot does that say?
350?
And then we go for
1 hour. There we go. That's 1 hour.
And how do we tell when it's done?
When it's finished,
How do we tell when it's finished?
you poke it with the toothpick.
That's right. Check back in an hour.
Alright, the banana bread is now done.
Well, let's check.
Alright, can I poke it?
Yep, put a toothpick right in the middle. All the way
Where's
down.
The middle?
Right there.
Right here?
Right through there. All the way down. Bring it out.
It's ready.
Perfectly clean. Go around the edge. Flip.
The bottom looks so good
And
too.
flip it back.
Do you feel that's so hot?
It's hot. And then to keep it from getting dry while it cools.
You put a towel over it.
Boom.
What is that?